Gary's plate.
Oh.
I didn't want to interrupt your photography.
Yeah,
He's going to think he's a
I've been trying
celebrity.
for a week and all I get is blurred.
Will you pass me Larry's plate?
Every time
Is that
these
good,
people
Ben?
come around, all they do is
Yeah,
take
I know,
pictures
I know.
after pictures.
It's all just flashing in my face.
You're just eating the
Icky.
frosting, Dad.
Oh.
Is that good, Ben? Yummy.
Yum, yum. Wow, that looks delicious. Grandpa was so glad when he said that he wanted a chocolate cake.
Wait a minute, I fed him the word.
Chocolate!
Oh, there's nothing better.
Yeah,
Hey.
it's fake chocolate. Yeah, I think so. I think the cake is chocolate.
It's a chocolate cake.